Hello students, in our previous part of data handling, we have studied about the arithmetic mean and range of a given data. And also we have solved exercise 3.1 which is based on them. In this part of data handling, we will study about median and mode of a given data and also solve exercise 3.2 which is based on them. So let us start. So first we will see what does the median means. So median. After arranging the given data in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the value of the middlemost observation is called median of the data. It means whatever the data we have given, first we have to arrange the observations of the given data in ascending order or descending order of their magnitude, and the middlemost observation gives the value of median of that given data. Now there are two rules for calculating the median of a given data. It might happen that the given data have the odd number of observations or even number of observations. That's why there arise two cases. Case 1, when n is odd. What is n? N is the total number of observation in the given data. So whenever there are odd number of observation in the given data, then median is equals to value of half n plus 1th observation. Let us take an example. Let us suppose we have a data such that the observations are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 and 5. So here you can see that we have already arranged the observation in ascending order. So we can proceed by calculating the value of median. Now let us count the number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the value of small n is 9. That is odd. So if the number of observation is odd, then median is equals to value of n plus 1th by 2th observation. N plus 1th by 2th, 2 means here n is 9. So 1 by 2 n plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. In place of n we can put 9 plus 1. So we get 10 by 2, that is 5th observation. That is, the value of the 5th observation gives the median of this given data. So let us see. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the 5th observation. That's why our answer is 3. So I hope you have understood how to calculate median of a given data if the number of observation in that data is odd. Now let us see the second case. In this case you can see that when n is even means the number of observation in the given data is even. So let us take one more example. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 4. Now here you can see that we have already arranged the observation in ascending order. So we can proceed for calculation of median. Now let us count the number of observation in this data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we can say that n is equals to 8, that is the number of observation in this data is even. So we have to apply this formula. So if the number of observation in a given data is even, then we can calculate median is equals to half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Now what is n by 2th observation? Here n is 8. It means 8 by 2th observation plus half of 8 by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 means 8 by 2 plus 1th observation. Now let us see the values. Here the middle bracket. So half of 8 by 2 means 4th observation, and 8 by 2 4 plus 1 5th observation. So let us put the values. So half of 4th observation is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 is the 4th observation, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is the 5th observation. So 1 by 2, in place of 4th observation we put the value of 2, plus in place of 5th observation we can write 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So here we have 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So the median of this given data is 2.5. Now let us solve some question for better understanding. So we have find the median of first 3, 11, 7, 2, 5, 9, 9, 2, 10. So let us solve. So first we have to arrange these observations in ascending order. So let us arrange. So here you can see the smallest value is 2. So here it is 2 and here also 2. So we can write 2 and 2. After that you can see 3 is the smallest term. So here we have 3. Now 5, and after 5 you can see 7, and after 7 9 comes 2 times, and after 9 it comes 10, then 11. So we have arranged the given observation of the data in ascending order. Now we can calculate the median, but let us count the number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you can see that there are 9 number of observation in this data, that is odd. So if the number of observation is odd, then the formula for median is equals to half of n plus 1th observation, that is the value of n plus 1th by 2th observation. So 1 by 2, in place of n, 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2, that is 5th observation. So the value of 5th observation is our median. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th observation. So we can write median is equals to 7. Okay. Now let us see the second example. Again students, first we have to arrange these terms in ascending order. So let us arrange. So here you can see that 9 is the smallest observation. So 9 is done. After 9 you can see 10 is the smallest one. So 10 is also done. And after 10 you can see 17. 17 comes, and after 17 it comes 19. So 19 is also done, and after 19 we have 21, then 22, and then it comes 32, after that 35. So we have arranged the given observation in ascending order. Now we count the number of observation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you can see that there are 8 number of observation, that is even number of observation. So the value median can be calculated by the formula half of value of n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2th plus 1th observation. So half of n is 8, so 8 by 2 is 4th observation, and again n is 8, so n by 2, that is 8 by 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5th observation. Now we have to put the values. So let us put. So 19 plus 21 is 40. 40 by 2, that is 20. So this is our answer. Now students, we will see how to calculate mode of a given data. So mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. It means whatever the data we have given, first we have to observe which observation of that given data has occurred most number of times. That will be our mode. So let us see an example. Find the mode of the numbers 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8. So here you can see that from these observations, 2 has occurred 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. 3 has occurred 1, 2 times. 4 has occurred only 1 times. 5 has occurred 1, 2, 3 times. 6 has occurred 2 times. And 8 has occurred 1 times. So out of these observation, you can see that the observation 2 has occurred most number of times, that is 4, out of these following observation. That's why we can say that mode of this given data is equal to 2. Okay. One more thing that you can understand from this example is that mode is that observation whose frequency is largest. Here you can see that 2 has a frequency of 4, which is largest out of all these observation. That's why 2 is our mode. Friends, now we will solve exercise 3.2, which is based on mode and median of a given data. So let us see our first question. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Then find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? So let us solve and find median and mode of this given data. So first, let us arrange these observations in ascending order, which help us in finding the median and also mode. So let us arrange. So here you can see first comes 5, because 5 is the smallest term. So we can write 5. Arranging the observations in ascending order. Arranging the observations in ascending order, we have, so first it comes 5, after that it comes 9, so 5 and 9 is done, and after that it comes 10, here it is 10, and after 10 you can see it comes 12, after that 15, and after that 15, after that 16 is done, 10 is done, 12 is done, and after 16 you can see 19, and after 19 you can see 20. So 20 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So let us write 4 times. And after 20 you can see here comes 23, and after 23 you can see 24, and after 24 last 25 but 2 times. So this is 25. So let us write 25 2 times. Now you can see we have arranged the given observation in ascending order. So first we have to find the mode. So let us see which observation has occurred largest number of times. So here you can see that 20 has occurred 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. That's why the mode of this data is 20. Mode of this data is 20. Now let us find median. So for median, you have to first calculate the number of observations. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So n is equals to 15, which is odd. So we can write median is equals to half n plus 1th observation, which is equals to 1 by 2, and in place of n we can write 15, 15 plus 1, that is 16 by 2, that is 8th observation. So the value of 8th observation is our median. So let us see. You have to find the observation for median only in ascending order, or the order you have make, either it is ascending or descending also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 20 is the 8th observation. So we can write median is equals to 20. Now in this question it is asking, are the median and mode of this data are same? So yes, you can see that mode is also 20 and median is also 20. Hence we can say yes, they are same. Now students, our next question is, the weight in kilogram of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Then find mode and median of this data, and is there more than one mode? So let us solve. So students, first we have to arrange these observations, arranging these observations in ascending order. We have. So let us arrange. So here it comes, the smallest one is 32. So first we write 32. After that, you can see 35 is the smallest. So 35. Then again it comes 36. Then 37. Then 38. But 38 how many times? 1, 2 and 3 times. 38, 38. After 38 you can see it comes 40, then 42, and after that 43, 1, 2 and 3 times. And after 43 it comes 40, 45. After 45, 47, and after 47 last one is 50. So we have arranged the following observation in ascending order. Now let us solve first part. So in first part we have to solve the mode and median of this data. So students, for mode you have to see which observation has occurred most number of time. So let us see. So here you can see 38 has occurred 3 times and also 43 has occurred same number of time 3 times. So we can say mode of this data is equals to 38 and also 43 because both the observation has occurred same number of times. Okay. Now median. So first count the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n is equals to 15, which is odd. So we can say that as n is odd, so median is equals to value of 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation. That is value of 1 by 2. In place of n we can write 15 plus 1th observation. Or 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 2 is 8. That is value of 8th observation. So let us see the value of 8th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is 40. So the median of this data is 40. Now in second part, it is asking, is there more than one mode? Yes, you can see in this given data 38 and 43 has occurred largest number of times, that is 3 times. So there, yes, there are more than one mode. So our problem is solved. In the same way, we have one more question from this exercise. Find the mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. So let us solve. So students, first we will arranging these observation in ascending order. We have, so let us arrange. So first you can see 12 is the smallest number, 12 here and here also. So let us write 12 2 times. After 12 it comes 13, so 13 here and here 2 times, 13 also. And after 13 it comes 14, so 14 here 1, 2 and 3 times, 14, 14, 14. And after 14 you can see 16 and after that 19. So we have arranged these observations in ascending order. Now we have to find mode and median of this data. So you can see 12 has occurred 2 times, 13 has occurred 2 times, 14 has occurred 3 times, which is largest. That's why mode of this data is equals to 14, because 14 has occurred largest number of times. Now we have to calculate median. For median, you have to first count the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So n is equals to 9, that is odd. So we can say that the median of this data is equals to value of 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation, because n is odd. So value of 1 by 2, in place of n we can write 9 plus 1 observation, and 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5, that is value of 5th observation. So value of 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 14 is the 5th observation, that is median is 5. Median is 14. So median is also 14. Here also again you can see that mode is also 14 and median is again 14. That is mode and median both are same. So thank you students. In our next part of data handling, we will study about bar graphs and solve the related problems. Thank you.